Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. There's a fake news going around, and of course in Indian media, you know, the most illogical and stupid media in the entire world. They love to spread the fake news and say whatever they can say because they have nothing else to do except this. And of course there's the RSS government and they can allow them, and whatever the hell they do, they don't mind what they're doing. The news is, I'm sorry, I'm really mad about this, you know. The news they are spreading around that Malaysian government arrested Zakir Naik and they deported him to India, and that's what they are basically saying, that they deported him to where? To India, and he's in trouble. Alhamdulillah, our Sheikh, our brother, and our beloved teacher, Dr. Zakir Naik, he is 100% safe and sound and fine. Remember in your dua, and remember the line of Allah can never be catched, and neither by questioned by these false evils and hypocrites that are sitting in the media. You know, they were saying Zakir Naik is banned in Malaysia. And it was stupidly enough that he had a program that day in Malaysia. There are so many false news, and the person who is watching this video and you are against Zakir Naik, for whatever reason you are, I will suggest you go on his YouTube channel, Dr. Zakir Naik. Go on it and watch at least 5 lectures with your open heart and open mind. The people who is really, you know, working for the open mindedness and for free speech, they are the one who are against it. Go and watch his lectures with open heart, and you will find out that he is not terrorist. He's not a person promoting hatred and violence. In reality, in statistic, you will find Indian government and Indian media promoting terrorism and violence in India, and many people has been killed and dead. And the other funny thing is, when the person died or being killed or being brutally killed by the RSS government or by the extremist Hindu, what the news will say, that we will investigate whether the person had a meat or not. That's not the question who killed him and why they kill him and they beat him to the death. The question is, they will investigate if the person has a meat or he had veggie before he died. So, you know, I don't want to say anything, but the simple point is, Alhamdulillah, he's safe and sound. Please, the message to the Indian media, do not spread false news, and you don't have to make money out of this. And many people, they want to mention Zakir Naik's name because they want to be famous, and there's a lot of benefits mentioning his name. May Allah preserve him, keep him in dua. And remember, Allah protects the one that he loves. And remember also that these bigots and these people who are against him, they will never be able to harm him, because Allah is the one who is protecting him. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. You can share the video as well. Assalamu alaikum.